Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, the stock markets, and my friends. Today we talk about Focus Entertainment. So this is this is a stock or a company. Here's CD Projekt. Here we go. This is a stock, a company that is from Paris, or that you can buy on the Euronext, but you might also can buy it in Germany or other European countries. I don't know now actually if you can buy it also in the US, but it's, let's say, a Western European, a French gaming company. And why do I want to talk about this today? Not because of the 1.26% that it's up today. Also not because I think we see some consolidation over here. No, my friends, I want to talk about this because about the fact that Atomic Heart, the mad utopian action RPG, releases now on the 24th of February, that you can finally pre-order this game. So what is Atomic Heart? So here I also have the Steam page, so we check this out immediately before we go on the Google Finance page. So what I think is a little bit high is PE ratio of 95 or 95.93. So this is extremely high, and the market cap is also it's a small cap. It's a small cap gaming company, 285 million. So obviously a very, very small company, and normally in small companies there are a lot of risks and a lot of chances. So also a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, retail investor myself. I'm invested in Focus Entertainment already since quite some time. So my Focus Entertainment is now up like 5%. So I think I bought it around about here. So not a lot, but I think I'm going to buy a little bit more. But guys, this is not any recommendation to buy this stock, so always make up your own research. And with a PE ratio of 95, which is extremely high in the market circumstances we have at the moment, with the Fed, which was raising today, then it's probably very risky. So let's put it like this: a very, very risky endeavor. So 308 employees. So that's Focus Entertainment, of course. Focus Entertainment and the company itself. CEO Christophe Nubilo, so I don't know this person. So he's probably popular in the gaming world in France. So founded 96. And if you here look at the revenue, we see also year over year 14%, around about 15% down. Operating expenses went massively up. Net income also 155% down. Net profit margin 165% down. All of this doesn't look so good. So therefore I actually I thought, like, I was buying around about here, and I thought like, oh, okay, let's buy more when we are falling back to the 25 euros. So I want to have a foot in the door, as you say, but never really happened. So it's kind of consolidating here, but to be honest, guys, I don't know where this is going to. So the PE ratio, the price earnings ratio, is kind of high, 95. Oh my god, 95 years. I think this is how to get the price with the earnings at the moment. But of course, if they get more popular, more successful, then the PE can also go down if the revenue goes up, my friend. So I'm always saying I'm a retail investor, so I'm a gamer that likes stocks and gaming companies. So I'm not a financial advisor. So also always take everything I say with a grain of salt. So Atomic Hearts, of course, is with Focus Entertainment, and we have other games. This Plague Tale Requiem. I think this is kind of successful at the moment, so a lot of people talk very positive about this title. And then we have Bolt Gun coming out, and Aliens Dark Descent coming out, and Space Marine 2, Blacktail. It's probably not so popular. Atlas Fallen, I think. Atlas Fallen is also coming out. This looks also extremely cool. So some very nice games coming out for Focus Entertainment. So that's definitely a big plus. So, and here, if we go now, Atomic Heart. So this game has been in development since, I think, probably 5-6 years probably. So it has 96,000 followers. That's a lot. And the game went through different development. So in the beginning it was absolutely mind-blowing, the graphics. Then at one point you could have said, is this actually a real game? Is this not going to be actually some fake game? So it seems that Atomic Heart pulled out, and if it's really going to look like this, then already the style, the graphics is absolutely state of the art. So I would definitely buy this game myself. And if it's now just fun to play, or a little bit fun to play, I think this could be already awesome, especially with the graphics. So you can pre-order it now, 60 euros. So let's see what the community says. So that maybe gives us some idea how the development could how the development of Focus Entertainment is going to be in the next years, because if they have some more of those major brands like Plague Tale, Atomic Heart, so that would be actually pretty cool. This game is never coming to the West, someone says, trying to help Montfish evade sanctions. Okay, do we have here a political aspect? So irregularity in prices. I think Montfish is a Russian company. Very shameless pricing for a game that can end up being the next. They're saying, on which platform other than Steam will the game be released? This game will be released in 2022 at first. And does Montfish have a chocolate mouth game? So okay. So what is someone saying here? Not even with Focus Entertainment trying to help Montfish evade sanctions, which is illegal. So it's a shame politics goes beyond ordinary people. This game looks very good. The details, everything is perfect. As for sanctions, I hope it ends. So obviously, to be honest, I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. So if there are sanctions to bring the game in the West or not, I mean, it's still just a video game. If it's not coming, then I would wonder, why is the game on Steam? So I don't have an opinion on this, my friend. So I mean, if Focus Entertainment is releasing the game on Steam, I would suppose that they checked if they can do it. So very shameless pricing for a game that can end up being the next Cyberpunk. This pricing is outrageous, and no one in their right mind will pay this much just to buy back the content that should have been included in the base game. 3 different editions, absolutely. Okay, so let's put this aside. We don't really know. We don't know everything, so I cannot tell you how this is with the sanctions regime. Montfish is probably a Russian company, but my friend, so all-time pick 3 people already played the probably some demo, so we will see this. So, but I would say Focus Entertainment. It's very interesting that Focus Entertainment is going to be the publisher of this company. And I'm sure they have good lawyers, and I'm sure they were looking what is possible. So if this game gets pulled off, then guys, we probably see something different on the stock here. So it's very much possible that if this game is not coming to the West, then this would have a huge impact actually on the stock, and then I'm sure we could see a bigger downturn. So then probably a 95 PE ratio is way too high. Alright guys, so I would say, if you enjoyed this video, comment, like and subscribe, of course, so this helps me. And with that, I'm leaving it here. So another gaming company for your consideration. Enjoy, see you next time, bye bye.